In front of me is the tablet 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off location. Begin by accessing tab menu and looking for location shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is blue, which means that location is on. To switch it off, hit the same shortcut. If you want to, you can also go into settings, scroll down and click on location section. Then click on this switcher next to use location to manage it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!